Shalini Bharadwaj. You all are watching ITV Networks Medically Speaking. Today we have with us Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, who is the Director General of CSIR. So we are going to discuss about that what explosive second wave is telling us about COVID-19. Sir, welcome to Medically Speaking and NewsX. Sir, what this explosive second wave is telling us about COVID-19, because we are getting maximum number of COVID cases on daily basis now.
See, all pandemics come in waves is not telling us anything different than this one. In fact, all these days, we were lucky that we had only one wave. But other countries that we saw, France, Italy, etc., they were already witnessing the second and the third wave. So it was bound to happen, second wave to come. And every time the next wave comes, it is generally more intense than the first one. And that's exactly what we are seeing in India right now.
So, sir, as of now, what can be done to control the situation? Yeah.
Yes, so if you want to bring the situation very rapidly under control, there are only 2 or 3 different ways. Number one, get vaccinated as early as possible. All those who are eligible must go and get vaccinated as early as possible. Number two, despite vaccination, maintain COVID appropriate behavior. No getting out of the house without a mask, no attending social functions, no arranging functions in less ventilated areas. Let us all do this. Maintain distance from each other. If you do all of this together, I'm pretty sure we'll be able to break the chain and get the numbers under control all over again.
Sir, what you would like to say about what exactly went wrong? It is due to inappropriate behavior, mutant variant, or less vaccination. What exactly the reason behind it?
Oh, the most dominant reason is complacency in people. People started behaving as if the pandemic is over. People started going out of the house. They started having parties. They started having whatnot, started gatherings. It was not due. I mean, in the pandemics like this, we don't do this kind of things. And forgetting COVID appropriate behavior is by far the biggest cause of seeing this second surge.
So why, especially this time, more and more youngsters and children are getting infected from this particular variant?
No, so I think youngsters and children have been also infected earlier. But the fact is that most of the youngsters and children have a stronger immunity, and therefore they don't obviously show many signs of getting critical and all that thing. So many of those actually go unnoticed asymptomatic infections, and that's what actually we have to see once again all over.
So do you think mass vaccination can also be, one of the solution?
So mass vaccination, of course, will happen as soon as the priority lists are over. One has to take care of the most vulnerable population first. Doctors and healthcare were they were most vulnerable, and we had to ensure that they should be taken care, and therefore that was done. Similarly, people above the age of 60 also are vulnerable, or those with comorbidities, and therefore their vaccination also was important. Now we are in the phase in which all the people above the age of 45 are getting vaccinated. Once these priorities are over, I'm pretty sure there'll be mass vaccination of other people as well.
Thank you so much, sir, sharing such important information with the Medically Speaking and NewsX. Thank you so much.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.